Welcome back to Tectonic. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of large language models, or LLM. It is the foundation technology for generative AI that is taking the world by storm. So, what exactly are large language models? Imagine teaching a computer to understand and generate human language. That's essentially what LLMs do, but on a massive scale. They're AI models trained on billions of text examples, ranging from books to websites. These models learn the patterns of language, how words connect, how sentences are structured, and even the context behind different phrases. Let's break it down with a simple example. Suppose you start typing a message like, "I'm feeling really..." An LLM can predict the next word, maybe happy, excited, or tired, based on what it has learned from countless similar phrases. It's like autocomplete, but much more sophisticated. The model doesn't just guess the next word. It understands the context and can generate entire paragraphs that make sense. But how do LLMs actually work behind the scenes? Let's keep it simple. Large language models are built using neural networks, which is a type of AI that mimics the way the human brain works. These neural networks are made up of multiple layers, where each layer focuses on different aspects of the input data. Here's the process. First, the model breaks down the text into smaller chunks called tokens, which can be individual words or even parts of words. Then, it processes these tokens through each layer, learning patterns and relationships between them. Over time, the model gets better at understanding not just individual words, but entire sentences and even the context across longer pieces of text. Think of it as a giant web of connections, where each word or phrase is linked to many others based on meaning and context. This structure allows the model to generate text that's not only coherent but contextually relevant. Large language models are truly transforming industries. But how exactly do they work in real-world applications? Let's take a closer look. In the medical field, LLMs analyze vast amounts of patient data, including clinical notes and medical histories. These models are trained on medical literature and patient records, enabling them to recognize patterns that might indicate a specific condition. For example, if a patient's symptoms and history suggest a rare disease, the LLM can highlight that possibility for the doctor, speeding up diagnosis and treatment. In customer service, LLMs power chatbots that go beyond basic queries. These models can understand the nuances of human language, such as sarcasm or sentiment, and respond in a way that feels more natural. For instance, if a customer is frustrated, the LLM can detect the tone and adjust its response to be more empathetic, all while pulling relevant information from a database to resolve the issue efficiently. When it comes to content creation, LLMs can generate text that mimics human writing styles. These models are trained on massive data sets of articles, books, and online content. For example, if a marketer needs a blog post on a specific topic, the LLM can generate a well-structured draft by synthesizing information from thousands of sources, saving time and ensuring consistency in messaging. The potential of LLMs is enormous. Imagine a future where AI can understand and generate content in any language, analyze complex scientific data, or even assist in creative fields like music and art. As these models become more advanced, they could play a pivotal role in everything from education to entertainment. But it's not all smooth sailing. Training these massive models requires a huge amount of data and computing power, which can be expensive and resource-intensive. There's also the challenge of bias, where if the data the model learns from is biased, the model's outputs can be biased too. And let's not forget ethical concerns around privacy and the potential misuse of AI-generated content. Large language models are shaping the future of AI, offering incredible possibilities but also posing significant challenges. If you're excited about what's next in the world of AI, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Tectonic.